Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to add friends on Roblox application. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, there you can see the option add friends. You can tap on that, or else you can go back and there you can see the option more. You can tap on that. And at the fourth, you can see the option friends. You can tap on that. Again, this kind of interface will appear. There you can see the option add friends. Simply tap on that. Now here you can see two ways to add friends. First way is to connect with contacts. You can search for the contacts that you want to add or either add or invite them. Another way is to share your QR code. If others scan your Roblox QR code with the QR scanner or their device camera, they can quickly add you as a friend, or else you can also share your profile link. There you can see the option to share it. Another option is to go back, search for people at the top. You can tap on that and you can simply search by the name. After entering the name, you can tap on search. And there you can see the profile of that name. Now choose the one that you want to add and simply tap on the add friend icon. And this is how you can add friend on Roblox application. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.